My name Edmund Yakani, Executive Director of CEPO. I would like to take this opportunity to amplify my voice loudly on behalf of the civilians that are suffering due to the ongoing human rights violation and deadly violence between Najero County and Kubribo for a number of days in silence of the authority and the media. I would like to take this opportunity to appeal to our authorities that we have seen for quite a number of days continuous human rights violations, extrajudicial killing, burning of civilian houses, destruction of medical facilities like health center, looting of traders between the distance of Najero and Kubribo, as we have seen a new deployment of forces of SSPDF in that direction. And the citizens who are calling us from the ground are pointing fingers to the SSPDF. With due respect and honor, I would like to take this opportunity to kindly appeal to our Chief of Staff, CDF, to intervene to the situation in Najero County and the distance between Najero County and Kubribo. We have seen human rights violations being documented. We have seen extrajudicial killing of youth that are going on the ground, really being murdered. We have seen traders being looted with capital worthy to 17 million plus SSP. We have seen burning of civilian houses. This is unaccepted. We strongly condemn it, and we are urging our military, CDF, and other security institutions to intervene to that situation. That situation is disturbing, as if the citizens who are there have committed crime against the system or against the government. This is very bad under the watch of the leadership of the country. And we have seen already directives where medical services have been restricted by some political leaders at the state level. We need to undertake a responsibility that medicine should be distributed. With due respect and honor, I would like to appeal to the governor of Western Equatorial State, His Excellency Alfred Futuyo, to ensure that the state take responsibility to ensure distribution of medical services to the benefits of the common citizen and prevention of further commitment of atrocities in terms of human rights violation, violence against civilians around Najero County and Kubribo. And we see how stressful is the County Commission of Najero County watching these atrocities being committed by state agencies that are supposed to provide safety and security to our citizens. So my appeal to the CDF and to the governor of Western Equatorial State and to the commander of Division 6 in charge: protect our civilians. Provide safety to our civilians. Provide them protection. Why should our civilians suffer now under your watch? Please take responsibility to address that. And if it's a tension between our armed forces, namely SSPDF and SPLM-IO, please don't involve the innocent citizens into your tensions or your frictions, which we don't know. You know it yourself. And that's why strongly I'm appealing to the leadership of Citizen. Citizen, please investigate that atrocities immediately and render a public report. And I will urge human rights institutions like the UN Human Rights Commission for South Sudan to investigate those incidents. Since we're going to establish a commission for truth, healing, and reconciliation, all those incidents, the people behind it should be held accountable. We feel some people have to answer questions for atrocities that are committed against our civilians there. They think these atrocities may go not accounted for, but we will document and will ensure some people have to answer questions in the front of the leadership of the Commission for Truth, Healing, and Reconciliation, which is soon to be established. I strongly condemn the act of human rights violations and death, violence and looting and harassment and intimidation of our citizens by our own law enforcement agencies. This is unacceptable. Governor, commander in charge of Division 6, CDF, and if it's possible, the leadership of the country, take responsibility to protect our citizens. That situation needs to stop immediately. And we are ready to expose names of individuals who might have been fueling or engineering these atrocities. We are silent for long. Moment has come, we will pronounce your name and you will be held accountable for it. If not you, whoever is linked with you will be held also accountable to it. Thank you very much.